just replacing 5 existing controllers with new smart controllers with IQ cell cartridges to remotely manage the water on site. They were looking for a decrease in usage of water to save money.
Yeah.
But they use the controller as a junction box for the power. So out of the 5 controllers that we retrofitted today, 4 of the 5 rain sensors were installed underneath existing tree canopies or shade canopies.